Hello students, so here is the experiment number 6 and we were discussing about the experiment number 6 that how we will interface the sensor with the MSP43G2. So this is the MSP43G2 553 sensor and launchpad, and here you can find that this is a microcontroller which is MSP43G2553. These are input output ports. These are two input output ports. These are two buttons. These are two buttons basically, and here you will find a bootloader IC which is used for the boot loading purpose. Okay, and it is connected with a USB and it is powering on. So one LED is also there. There is a LED which showing it is powering on. Okay, it is connected with a sensor. So it is ambient light sensor. It detects that whether the light is present or not, and it is also good for many type of application. For example, if you want that for no light, the light must be on, then it can be used. Okay, it is a very simple sensor. So same three inputs are over there. There are 3 pins. One is for power, another is for ground, and one is for signal. Okay, so that is a DF robot standard, and it is used in many cases. Now let's discuss about it, that how can I use it. So it is my Energia platform. Here I am using the MSP43G2 553 launchpad using the board, and here is the COM9 port. It is on COM9 port. So now I am going to check it on the analog serial voltage. So what I am going to do, I am going to just copy the code from here. I am just going to copy this code from here. I am taking a new file and select it and then paste over there, and now I am going to select the another component. Likewise this. Now let's compile it. It is telling to save, so I am saving it with sensor underscore MSP430 G2. Now it is compiling the sketch. Now yes, it is compiled. So now COM port is selected, board is selected, so now I can burn it. So now the code has been uploaded on the board. You can see that it is successfully uploaded on the board, and now let's see the COM port, that what is the values are coming on COM port. So for the COM port we have to change the location of the So here what I have done, I have just because it is a analog, this ambient light sensor is analog sensor, so that's why I am printing the value of analog sensor value using analog read pin 0. So I have connected it at pin 0. So I have taken the value from pin 0, and I am just printing these sensor values on the COM port. So here you can see this is my sensor, and this is connected to this board MSP43G2. Now I will just cover this sensor, and then you can see check the value of the COM port. Yes, so now there is a dark, and in the sensor you can see the sensor that I have just covered my sensor, and the values are dropped down. And now as I am just uncovering this, then the values are high. So I am just again just covering this value, so the sensors values are coming down, and as I am just giving little light to them, and slowly I am just opening the port, opening my hand. So that's how, and now the values are very high. So that's how this sensor works, and that's how I can interface my sensor with my MSP43G2553. So thank you for this experiment. I hope you will do all this experiment by yourself, and if you have any kind of issue, if you have any kind of problem, you can talk to me. So thank you for this experiment.